Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the surf-forecast.com app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Surf-forecast.com is a surf condition tracking app that provides detailed wave, wind, tide, and weather forecasts for surf spots worldwide. It's designed for surfers, kiteboarders, and other water sports enthusiasts to plan their sessions with accurate local conditions. The app offers multi-day forecasts, live buoy data, swell height and direction charts, wind speed indicators, and sunrise/sunset times. Users can search for thousands of surf locations and even save favorites for quick updates. In actual use, many users appreciate surfforecast.com's accuracy for wave height and swell direction, especially in well-monitored surf spots. The detailed charts and multiple forecast models give a clearer picture for planning sessions. The global coverage is a major advantage for traveling surfers, and the interface makes it easy to switch between spots and forecast days. However, some users note that forecast accuracy can vary for lesser-known or remote locations, sometimes requiring cross-checking with other apps. While the app's data is detailed, beginners may find the charts overwhelming at first. Also, some advanced features like extended forecast periods and ad-free browsing require a paid subscription. In summary, the surf-forecast.com app may be worth using if you're a surfer or water sports enthusiast who values detailed, location-specific forecasts with global coverage. It's especially useful for experienced users who can interpret charts effectively. However, if you surf only casually, prefer simple weather summaries, or want all features for free, you may find it less essential. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.